Hello all, I'm Mithun and welcome back to a brand new video in the Getting Started with AI playlist. Okay, so again, if you have seen the previous videos, we have covered OpenAI, we have covered Gemini, both using their SDKs and LangChain in both of the programming languages, that is JavaScript and Python. Okay, again, undoubtedly OpenAI and Gemini are the most used LLM providers, but there is one in the market which is very much underestimated. Okay, so that is Grok. Again, so you all know Grok is the LLM from the XAI team, that is from the Elon Musk team. This is very much different, very much powerful as well, but not everyone are using it. Okay, but yeah, so let's not miss out on any of the things which is trending. So in this video, I will be teaching you everything you need to know to build a chatbot using Grok. We'll start by understanding how to get Grok API keys. We'll look into Grok SDK and we'll look into how to use it with LangChain as well, and everything with JavaScript. And if you are someone who is looking for a Python lecture, so that would be the next one. Okay. So I hope you guys are very much excited, and without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so I have my environment ready, the folder ready, so that is Grok JS. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to initialize a node project. So I'm going to just say yarn init minus y. Okay, so I have my node.js up and running, and let me just say, hey, I want to use the type module. Again, don't worry about the resources. Everything is pinned in the description. You will find a GitHub link to all of the resources. Great. And now I will be storing the API key in the env undoubtedly. So let me just create the .env file here. Great. So now let's go to the Grok's development platform and get the API key. So you just search for Grok API. Again, the best thing about Grok I feel is that, okay, so Grok Cloud is that you need not to have any of the X account. Okay, so you need not to have any Twitter account. You can just log in with the Google account. It supports Google and GitHub. That's the best thing I have I felt. Okay, so again, you have the playground. Same, everything follows the same structure. You have the playground, you have the API keys, you have the dashboard. Okay, so you can also see the usage. Okay, so I haven't been using this account. Okay, and you can also see the docs. So first, let's generate the API key. Before that, let's go to the docs. Go to quick start. So you need Grok API key as the environment, right? So let's store this Grok API key. So you need to just copy this and paste it here, and then you need to paste the API key. Let's generate the API key here. Go to API keys, click on create API key, just give the name, like let's say recording JS, something like this. Let's submit, and you will get this, and just paste it out here. Okay, so again, don't try to copy this API key, so I will be deleting it as soon as the lecture is done. Okay, nice. Now we have the API key. So now let's use the Grok SDK. So go to the docs and just say quick start. So again, you can see they provide both JavaScript and Python. So now let's look into the Python ones. So you need to install Grok SDK. Let's install the package. Also, we need .env, right? So let's just say yarn add. Just a minute. I have paste the API key. Let's copy the Grok SDK, paste it, and then we also need .env. Okay, so let's install this, and you can see we have two packages installed. Now let me just say grok.js, and first thing is to import the environment variables, right, as .env as .env from .env. Okay, so with this you can configure .env.config. Just a minute, config, and you have your environment variables loaded. Now just copy paste the whole code again. So if you see the multiple SDKs, right, I see this is very much standardized. So they are importing Grok, they are creating the instance of Grok, and they're getting Grok API key, of course, and they have divided into two functions. So first function is to get a chat completion, where they are taking the message and the model. Okay, So let me just say hi. Okay, again, if you see, they are indirectly using the OpenAI's open source model. Okay, so in the documentation itself, open source model, so they are using it, which is running in their cloud. Okay, so no need to worry, you can change the models anytime you need, and then they're just calling it. Okay, so I'm just saying hi. So like, let's see what is the answer from them. Now we need to just call this main function. Oh, just a minute, you need to call this main function, right? So this is one addition you should just make. You need to call the main function. Now like, let's run this node grok.js. uh, just a minute, from .env should be in the quotes. So now with this, see, hello, how can I help you today? So this is how you use the Grok APIs using the Grok SDK. Okay, so again, here you see, right, Grok SDK. So they have also different models. Okay, so you can go to their models. So they have, many of them are open source ones. They are just making it better. Okay, so you can use a lot of models from there itself. Okay, again, for someone who is trying to use the open source model, so you have this way as well. Okay, I hope this is very much clear on how to use Grok SDK. Now like, let's see how to integrate with LangChain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create a new file, grok langchain.js. okay, again I will load the .env. Just a minute, let me copy this and paste. And now let's go to LangChain JS. Let's go to LangChain JS. Okay, so go to LangChain JS, go to tutorials, the first one, and here just select Grok. Okay, so before that we need the LangChain and the LangChain core, so let's install this. Okay, so you have these packages ready as well, and then for Grok you need to just say langchain/grok. So again, if you see, they are using llama. So here we have used OpenAI 30 billion parameters, 20 billion parameters. Now let's also try using llama, which is from Meta. Okay, so you can just import this. Just a minute, let me copy and import this, and let me store the result. I will just say, hey, const result, const result will be await, okay, model dot invoke. Okay, so let's invoke this model with a message something like hi. Okay, and just let's say console. Okay, just a minute, console dot log result. Okay, so now like, let's try to run this node grok langchain.js. okay, so with this, okay, you can see it is giving, hey, it's nice to meet you. Okay, so see, this is one thing which is good about llama models. So they don't give you like traditional responses. Okay, oh, what happened? Content, see, content. Okay, let's save this and run. So till now we are just getting hi. So hello, how can I help you? See, it's been nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat? So this is what I filed good with llama models. Okay, see, llama, this is 17 billion parameters. Again, llama is from Meta, open source models. What Grok does is that they take the open source models, they deploy in their cloud, and then give you the offerings with some fine tunings as well. Okay, so this is what is how you use Grok models. Again, give it a try. The more models you interact with, the different perspectives you get, you can evaluate and choose the best one. Okay, so I hope you had great fun watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, let me know your thoughts in the comment, and share to as many people as possible so that they get started with their AI development journey. That's it, and I will catch you up in the next one. Thank you.